Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we will draw this 200 mm circle. For this, here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. From here we will select this create sketch, select this bottom plane. Then we will create a circle of 200 mm. After this, from here we can see we have to provide the thickness of 10 mm. For that, again, just come here, finish the sketch, go to home position, select this one, extrude it up to 10 mm. After this, again select this one, go to create sketch. Now next, what we have to do, we will create a circle of 180 mm. So just choose the circle command, provide here 180 mm. Finish the sketch, go to home position again. Now from here we will provide the thickness of 50 mm. So just extrude this particular profile up to 50 mm. Then select this one, go to create sketch again. Now from the figure we can see we have to provide a thickness of 50 mm to the circle of this 70 mm. So just select this one and create a circle of 70 mm. Now finish the sketch, go to composition, select this one, extrude it up to, from here we can see up to 50 mm. So it should be at 50 mm. Now the next, select this one, go to create a sketch again. From here we can see we have to draw one more circle of 30 mm. So just draw a circle of 30 mm. Now finish the sketch, go to home position, select this one, select this is extrude command and provide a thickness of 30 mm. So just put it here 30 mm. Now the next, select this one, go to create sketch again. Now draw a circle of, this is 70 mm. So just draw one more circle of 70 mm. Finish the sketch, select this profile and this profile, select this profile and this profile and provide a thickness of 50 mm. Press enter. Now from here we can see that we have to provide, this one is of 5 cross 45. So for that, just select this edge. From here we'll select this chamfer, select this one, and from here we'll select this distance and angle, and distance should be 5, tab, and angle should be 45. Press enter. Now from here we can see we have to provide this particular fillet of radius 50. So just select this one and select this one and provide a fillet of 50 and press enter. And so as you can see we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. The only thing what is left, we have to provide the appearance to this one. So as you can see we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.